The Road to 80%, a retirement education series from Mutual of America. Some experts agree that you'll need to replace 80% of your pre-retirement income to maintain your standard of living in retirement. It's a journey, but one worth taking. For many, the scenery along the road to 80% changes along the way. Whether by choice or necessity, when all is said and done, you could have held several jobs with your money in several different employer-sponsored retirement plans. Consolidating them into one plan can simplify the management of your retirement savings, allowing you to see the whole picture at a glance and monitor and adjust how and where you decide to invest your money. And you may save money on fees, meaning more money to invest toward your retirement. You should consider fees, expenses, or charges associated with rolling over funds from your former retirement account provider to ensure you make an informed decision. If you still have fuel in the tank and work past 70, having your savings in your current employer's plan may allow you to postpone required minimum distributions. The bottom line is this: why make the road to 80% any more difficult than it needs to be? If you can, roll over your existing accounts into one and make your journey to retirement a little simpler. And maybe make your money go a little further too.